this tiny item is a cup actually, compressed cup, can be used as a portable thing, and it look like a key tag, right? Or maybe a magic property, right? It's a tiny one, and it's a cap. Then you can see, then we can expand it, then it will form a cup. Normally this won't leak, I already used, that's why water is there. This won't leak with the surface tension, but only metal, it will hold the water or liquid, right? So let's see for some liquid and see. So now nothing inside there, right? So I am just pouring the liquid water. So it's now holding the water. You can see it here. It's holding the water. And if I collapse, all will spill, but no leak normally. And it's collapsing all water. Right? That's a cup.